everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hello.
Today we're going to see who got the better IPSY bag.
I think I did.
I bet I did. If you are not familiar with IPSY, it is a beauty subscription company. They have several different types of subscriptions. This is the smallest, cheapest subscription they have. This is the original. They have the original, the extra, and the ultimate. Now, the ultimate is an upgrade from either the original or the extra. And it comes out quarterly. May is the next ultimate upgrade, which we will be getting. So we'll get to pick and it's 8 full-size products.
So excited.
We get to pick a few of them. IPSY picks a few of them, but it's an upgrade to this one, so we'll be charged the difference. Well, I will be. Krista will
I'll
still
get
hers.
this one.
So we can still show you the original bag next month. We'll do it together with that video. But next month we get the ultimate box. So
I'm excited.
The original one is like $17-ish a month once you do taxes and that. But you sometimes will get full size. You get to pick one of your items. Most of the time it's sample size or deluxe trial sizes.
Yeah.
So I also ordered, once you place your choices, you can add add-ons, and they start at $3.50 and go up. And I added a few add-ons, so I'll show you those when we're done. So Krista will show you the cute bag while I get mine out.
This is so cute. And look at the little pearl handle.
Is it kind of tie-dye looking?
Yeah, it's like a pink cloud print and a cute little IPSY tag. And I am loving this. And it's like satiny.
Pearly bag.
Yep. Nice zipper. And inside is a peach trim.
Is it the color of the tag?
Well, the trim is peach and then the inside is.
So it's really not lined, it's just a zipper.
But it's nice and satiny, so it's cute.
And we got our little cards to tell us what's in our bags.
And
ooh, oh, I forgot I got a thing. I'm so excited. Is it even in here? It is in here. Okay, I'm excited. So we're going to start with the top of our list and go down because some of these might be duplicates. Actually, we got one duplicate. It's just the last item.
Oh, that's cool.
So you go with your first thing. So
the first thing I got was Danessa Myrick. No, it's a blush in what color?
This says it is in, didn't say. Oh, Rose and Brunch.
Rose and Brunch. So that's a pretty color. I already have tons of blushes open, like more blushes than I will ever use. Since it's sealed, I'm just going to leave it sealed in case I pass it on to somebody else. But Danessa Myrick, not bad. The
full size of this would only be $27. Even so, this is a tiny one. It's still very cute. And it's Danessa Myrick's.
Yeah.
So my very first thing, we got some good brands for our first thing. My first thing is Sol de Janeiro. And I'm kind of turning into a Sol de Janeiro-holic. I have a few of the different fragrances. I do not have this one.
I can't wait to
So this is actually a size they sell. This size is, the big size of this, the 240 mils is $29. This size generally isn't sold separately, although I have seen it. So most of the times it's in like little travel kits.
Great for travel.
This is the perfume mist in the Sol de Janeiro Cheirosa perfume mist. And this says, get swept away with the velvety vibes in this mist. Helps envelop your skin in a hypnotic blend of black currant, midnight jasmine, while amber woods bring all that confidence. We're going to smell this.
She needs to unseal it because
it's all
sealed, which is nice.
All right.
Oh, finally.
All right. Hang on.
More plastic.
Pulling. Okay.
Can we smell it without spraying it?
Yeah, we can just unscrew it.
And that way we don't have to.
Ooh, I like it.
Oh, it's nice. It's kind of floral, fruity forward. I'm
actually wearing one of the other ones. I have the yellow one today, just the body spray of it. And this is amazing. Now, the thing about this one, I still don't get. I get the hype, but I kind of don't get the hype because buying this, like even off Mercari or eBay or whatever, you're paying almost retail for these. It's really hard to find them at even lower than half price. But recently, Sephora and Ulta both put some of theirs on half price. So if you watch the sales, you might be able to catch some at a good deal, especially around holidays. We're coming up to Mother's Day, different things. So watch out for good deals.
Watch for it.
All right, second item on Krista's list.
I think it must be in my bag.
It wouldn't fit.
It didn't fit. So this is
pretty.
A really pretty makeup brush. This is really pretty.
What do they actually call this one?
I like that it's a soft pink too.
This is a setting powder makeup brush.
Ooh.
That would be really hard unless you're just using it under your eyes.
Yeah,
for
just
smaller
for a small
areas.
area. Like
for small areas, that would work.
Yeah, but I like that it's pink.
And its
What
retail,
brand?
it's Pink Lips. And it is $14 value.
Nice.
Nice. My second thing is Gold Fatten Needleless. And this is a needle, what is this one? Serum designed to help soften the look of fine lines and leave your complexion feeling smoother and more radiant. The full size of this is $40. I love Gold Fatten MD. It's one of my favorite like lip products that I get. But this is just a little trial size.
Nice.
And yeah, but I'm going to try that if it's going to make me look smoother and stuff. Make me look younger. Smoother equals younger, so I'm okay with that.
And then my next is Tatcha.
Ooh, Krista loves Tatcha.
Ooh. So we got Sol de Janeiro in one and Tatcha in the other. I mean, this is pretty
The
good.
brands in these this month.
And the Danessa Myricks, it's like...
The brands this month, IPSY. Come on now.
Look, it's
That's
cute purple
cute.
too. But this is a cleanser, I believe, is what it said, right?
This one is a moisturizer.
Oh,
Tatcha Dewy Milk Moisturizer.
I love their moisturizers.
And the full size of this would be 50 mils at $64.
Yeah, it's pricey. So I'm glad to even get a little bit.
My third one. Okay, so far we're up to, let me show you my third one and we'll do a up to now ranking and see who we think is better. I got a Bella Pierre and this is Purifying Milky Cleanser. The full size of this would be, I think that says $86.
Wow.
That's cray cray.
I mean, that's a good size.
For 5 ounces, I think it says.
To try that.
Yeah.
Cleanser. I mean, that's...
And we got a full ounce. So this would be a fifth of the full size. It's $84.
Wow. I mean, that's...
And how pretty is that packaging?
The packaging is beautiful. Gold and cream. It's pretty.
Okay, so we're going to stop and rank and tell us what you guys think is best so far. First item to first item.
So
She
first
got
item
Danessa
was-
Myricks and I got Sol de Janeiro. I like mine better. I would rather have mine of these two.
I think I would too, because it's just more and it's different. And I have tons of blushes, even though this is a good quality brush and a beautiful color.
It really is.
A beautiful color.
So for us, first one, mine wins. Second one, Gold Fatten and the brush.
Golden Fatten.
The Gold Fatten, honestly, I'm kind of a wash on both of these, but
probably about equal.
Yeah, these we might be tied. All right. Tatcha and Bella Pierre.
Well, as far as high quality, high end, both of them.
Yeah, but for brands that we love the most, Krista loves Tatcha the
But
best.
for product quantity,
Mine's best. So mine
best one.
depends on what you're grading against, your favorite brand or the amount of good product you're getting. So I'm going to call mine a win on third product. So now we're down to, we got 2 more products each.
This is my fourth item. It's from a brand called Koki, and it's a highlighter.
This is a highlighter. Yeah, it says it's a highlighter, but I would almost call that a blush.
But it looks like a blush or bronzer almost. Let me, this is not, I'm not
The
opening
color is rosy, and this is the full size, and I think it says it's only a
it's full
$6 item.
Hey, that makes it affordable. If you like it,
Yes.
to replace it, it's not bad.
Part of there's 2 schools of thought. One is, oh, it's a cheap thing, why they put it in the bag. But then the other thing
It's very
is, oh, it is
shimmery.
light. It's a highlighter, definitely.
Yeah, definitely a highlighter. Look at the shimmer in that.
The other side of that coin is, if you get a several
Wow, the
$100
glow.
or lots of money product that you love, how many of us can go out and buy the full size of it again? So I like to be kind of middle of the road on that. I don't always like super cheap things, and I do like to get expensive ones sometimes, but like, okay, La Mer is a good example.
Yeah.
We got a La Mer lip plumper in the Harrods advent calendar year before last.
It's
It's
amazing.
the best stuff ever, but it's $100 per. Yeah, $100. So that's $100, and I'm not going to go spend another $100, even though it's amazing. So I watch for it to go on sale.
Yeah.
All right, my fourth item is in bubble wrap.
Ooh.
And mine is also a full size, but mine costs more, so I got a little better value. But
I think she won with this one.
I got a Misho BB, and this is a mini eyeshadow palette, and this is, I think it says $19.
Ooh.
Ooh, it's a slidey outy thing, or is it taped in? I don't know.
If you pull, it should. That's just the.
Oh, okay, it was stuck. Ooh, cute. Very pretty neutrals,
Those
kind of
are nice
rosy.
neutrals.
They're actually nice for spring because you can do a light look. They've got a little bit of pink to them, and you have this dark brown to give you the accent and move from day to night with this. This would be a great work day, fun night out palette. and mine is $19. So of the two of these, I'm going to say I won round 4.
Yeah.
If you have a different opinion of that, please let us know in the comments.
Definitely.
Speaking of comments, leave me comments. I'd love to get feedback from you guys. I love hearing what your thoughts are on the products and the bags and the different things that we get. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit subscribe, hit like if you like the video. We'd love to hear from you guys. All right, the last thing we both got, so this will be that's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. We both got the same thing. This is a Real Her lipstick in bold. The full size of this, which this obviously is not.
I'm going to open one. They're
is
sealed.
$22.
And so we can show the color.
But I love the color of it. I think this actually was my pick.
That's her pick, and I picked the Tatcha. But I got it anyway. But I love the packaging.
Yeah, I'm going to definitely use it.
Cute. I mean, look at this. And look how,
there's a lot in there.
A lot of product. And let me just put a little swatch on my hand. Ooh, it's sheer.
Ooh, it's
I had to put like 4 things on there, like just one swipe. So you can build it up or you can go light if you want.
Nice.
This is very buildable. And
that's great for just adding a little bit of color.
Just add a little bit. You don't like a lot of color, but then if you want it to go dark,
nice.
I like this.
And we both got one. So we're tied for
the last
product. So I think my bag wins.
I think her bag wins
for overall. Too. Please give us your comments and your votes on the products, and I'm going to show you my add-ons because the 350 add-ons are actually kind of fun. You can actually, if there's stuff that you want to get, that pick or different things, you can add more stuff to your bag. So this is adorable. This was one of the pick items for this month. I didn't pick it. I
didn't get it, but she bought it.
But I bought it for $3.50 because it's cute.
It's adorable.
And I don't know if it was a pick this month or last month, but it's been a choice, and I didn't pick it. I almost did, but then I'm like, well, I really still want it. It's a little blush on a keychain. How stinking cute is that?
I mean,
and this is from I don't even know. I don't know, Taupe Mica. I can't tell, but it's very cute. What's the front say? It says nothing. It's like a little candle.
Aww.
It's very cute. I just had to get it because it's cute. Again, like she said, we both have enough blushes to last us forever.
Oh, are you sure?
But this is a blush. I think you could use this for a blush or a lipstick. This was a blush.
That's a pretty color.
I think this might have been a blush lipstick duo. But it's a daisy, and I love daisies, and it's cute, and it's a little keychain. The next thing I got was Mother, and this is a exfoliating body bar. So I generally do not get bar soap. I like the washes. But we're coming into summer. We're going to be starting to tan and getting out in the sun, and you need to keep your skin exfoliated to be able to get that sun and absorb the suntan stuff. And I thought an exfoliating bar would be a good thing to do. Plus, it smells really nice. It actually smells really nice.
That's a nice kind of aromatherapy smell. And
this is Detox Greens Exfoliating Body Bar from Mother. And I forgot what the actual value of this, but it cost me $3.50. And we like commodity perfumes. We've got a few that we really like. I love the Juice one. And this is one we had never smelled before. So I thought for $3.50 I would buy it and see if I can get it open. And see what it smells like. So I'm going to let Krista smell it because she's the smeller. Sometimes my nose is not as accurate as I would like it to be. Ah! I think you can smell it through that. Can you smell it?
Whoa.
Is it very strong?
Very lemon, grapefruit. Something like that.
I forget what the notes are for this one, but
it smells like grapefruit.
I think this one was citrusy.
Yes, you can definitely smell it.
I'll have to look. It doesn't say on here what the fragrance notes are, but it sounded nice for spring. Is it nice?
I think.
Oh, you can really smell the citrus.
I mean, if you like a strong citrus smell.
And this one's iced.
This iced one is for you. It is super strong.
That's great for spring and summer.
I mean,
I like it. It's not overpowering, but it's nice.
As it dries down,
it's mellowing out a little bit.
It's mellowing out a little bit. So I think it would be for the right occasion, like going out or something. This would be really nice.
And they occasionally have the full size of this or a bigger size in their shop. And I would much rather pay $3.50 to find out if I like it than pay $25 or $30 and say, like, that's really gross. So I like that one. Okay, so that was my add-ons. That was our bags. This was a fun month.
It was a fun month.
What's your absolute favorite product of your bag?
I think my absolute favorite, I have to go with the Tatcha because I love Tatcha. Like, we don't get a lot of the samples in. When we do, I'm very happy. And we have more than once ordered a Tatcha add-on, and it's sold out before we get it. Like, we pay for it, but then they have to cancel it and refund us because
they ran out. My favorite's going to be the Sol de Janeiro.
Yeah, because she loves silver.
I was very excited that I got this. So,
Woohoo!
wow, you don't often get like a knock it out of the park Ipsy bag, but
Yeah.
they've been doing better. And the bags are very, very, very cute.
Very cute.
And the little pull tabs. These are very cute summer, spring bags. They
I even
don't.
got the makeup brush in here,
Mhm.
so it could have gone.
It does. It's funny with this. Sometimes they stick in the bags the things that actually fit in the bag. But there you go. Well, that was our
Yay.
Ipsy battle. I don't know if we want to call it a battle.
Just Ipsy fun.
Ipsy fun. We're sisters. We battle day in and day out
Exactly.
for fun. So that's just life. But we battle for each other and with each other. Nobody's gonna mess with my sissy.
Exactly. Don't touch her.
Nobody's got your back like your sissy.
Exactly.
You guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.